Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a OnePlus 9 with a broken display, and David is gonna fix it. The first thing we're gonna do is try to remove this back cover. It's relatively easy to remove, and that says to me that this smartphone has been fixed before, and I think I'm always correct in that assessment. So I think David knows already his way around this OnePlus 9. I'm going to remove the daughter board, SIM card tray, and remove the board, because most smartphones, they have their connectors for the display on this corner right here. I'm going to try to open it up and put our replacement screen, attach it, press it in, and test it out. It's working, so that means we can now proceed to our disassembly process. I'm going to shut it down properly. And right here we can go straight into the removal of the broken display. We're going to pry it through the sides. I'm going to pour isopropyl alcohol so that we soften the adhesive. You can see there's also OnePlus 9 at the back of the broken display, which says to me that this smartphone has been here in the shop before. So I may be right, maybe wrong. The point is, we will get to install a new display on this OnePlus 9 and make it work for another year or two. Install the replacement display, then align it, install the connector, close it up, and I think we're almost done. So if you have a OnePlus 9, other OnePlus smartphones that needs a new display, David can source the parts for you and do the repairs himself. So if you're wondering where you can go here in Sydney to have your OnePlus fixed, the answer is Sydney CBD Repair Center. If you want this exact same repair, don't hesitate to call us. Or if you can't go visit Sydney, you can mail in your broken OnePlus 9. You can send it through mail to our shop. David here will fix it here, and once it's done, we're gonna send it back to you. Easy peasy. So thanks for joining, guys. Take care of yourself. Enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.